Welcome back to our channel where we explore the sacred practice of Morrnah Simeona's hooponopono, Hew Len's teacher and spiritual messenger. Talofa aloha, my name is Kahuna. And while I was working with the 4 phrases initially, I did feel somewhat better, especially while in meditation, but I still had a significant amount of self-doubt and depression coming up, even after overcoming a serious illness. So when I found Morrnah Simeona's teaching, I never looked back. I created this channel specifically to share the wisdom as Morrnah has shared it with all of us. Today, I'd like to discuss several key elements and concepts that she believed will elevate your abilities to restore yourself back to the undefinable pure. So let's flow. The foundation of a successful hooponopono lies in setting clear and genuine intentions. Not setting any intention is like heading out on a road trip without setting your GPS. Best practice is to intend on restoring to the divine, to receive healing, or whatever it is that you are attempting to accomplish. This tool was designed to resolve your blocks and obstacles, to reach back correcting unhealthy family and ancestral patterns, karmic errors, and whatever is right according to Creator. So I will be cleansed to not necessarily what I think or desire, but what is right by God, Divine Creator. It is important that you know hooponopono is not a manifestation tool or a way to get back with your ex. Over the past 30 years, the name hooponopono has been used as a marketing ploy to sell numerous manifestation practices and courses. This is 100% not an authentic representation of the sacred Hawaiian practice. It is a balancing tool and a calibration to the divine. Before you carry out the selected cleaning prayer, aligning yourself to the divine is key. Polynesians and Morrnah always believed in opening and closing with a prayer out of respect. You will see this in many sacred practices around the world. Any serious spiritual practice always requires devotion. There is no shortcut. Morrnah said, whenever possible, perform your hooponopono practice during daylight hours. Before the setting of the sun, the natural environment allows you an enhanced experience with higher energies amongst all of God's creation and with the Schumann resonance, the vibration of Mother Earth, where you'll be facilitating a much deeper connection. Vocalizing the prayer out loud. Your body is listening and keeps score. The unahipili, known as the bone soul and hidden lower self, holds an intelligence of you, which is located on the entire outer shell of your body. Morrnah described even the hairs on your arms as being affected by the subconscious. This gives us a better understanding of why your hair might stand up in the event that there is a threat, or even when your ears are ringing. Specifically, when you speak with authority and confidence, you are sending out signals to your being and into the universe. Words are vibrational frequencies. Verbalizing allows you to fully engage with a stronger connection between the conscious mind and the subconscious. When a hypnotist attempts to engage in a deeper state of consciousness, it is important that the person being hypnotized holds a belief that the process will or can be successful. This is also true for conducting a hooponopono. If you do not fully believe, then your subconscious and lower self will most likely not accept the request. Therefore, the process cannot be carried out until you completely fall in line and the unahipili is in full cooperation. Now, Morrnah was considered an enlightened being who could see into the invisible realms, but even she made sure she performed either a meditation or the ha breathing. Why is this important? Your walking, talking, temporary ego or personality and the average person cannot instantly align with divinity. This is why attuning yourself like a tuning fork will provide the best outcome to cleanse all the blockages without having to practice this over and over. The ha breathing is very similar to the Tao practice known as a microcosmic orbit breathing. When you do the ha, you enhance your practice by imagining inhaling pure, fresh cosmic energy from the divine, pulling the energy from your root chakra to the top of your head. It is vital to activate the heart and the other energy centers when doing this You replenish the unpurified energy within the body. This is said to clear and dispel old, stagnant energy. Again, determine what happens next. The law of three says how you react, whether the energy increases or dissipates, is the determining factor. Choose positive reactions when possible, knowing that your perception is the reception. You are the one that holds the free will and control over how you react. Blessings to all. If you like a copy of any of the prayers, please go to rainbowflo.com and have a blessed day. I love you so much. Peace be with you all. Thank you.